Hello guys, welcome back to IT Scholar. Today we will learn to use the average formula. But before we begin, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. The average formula helps us to find out the average of numbers that may be present on rows, columns, and arrays. This formula is simple to use. Like we have our random data over here, which contains different series of numbers, 1 to 5 and 1 to 10. We will find out the averages between these two series. If we calculate the average of 1 to 5, the answer will be 3. Let's try with the formula over here. Is equal to sign, average, bracket open, A2, semicolon, A2, bracket over, enter. The answer is 3. Let's try with another series. If we calculate this, we will get the answer 5.5. Let's see how the formula works. Is equal to sign, average, bracket open, A3, semicolon, J3, bracket over, enter. The answer is 5.5 as per our calculations. I hope everything is understood. If there's still any query, you may ask in the comment section down below. And do hit the like button if you like the video and share with your friends to help them out. Let's meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.